Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can view pending Robux in Roblox. So for example here, I'm already in Roblox, right? And if I want to check my pending Robux, it'll be up here on the Robux logo here, right? Just click on that. Now you'll see on top here right now, there's a thing called balance, right? I have 0 Robux right now. And if I scroll down, you'll see that I have no pending Robux currently because I haven't bought any Robux or I haven't had anything come in or come out in terms of Robux, right? But if you do have Robux coming in or coming out, like if you're giving it to your friends or if your friends gifted you some Robux, it'll be down here, right? If it's down here, it might be up here. Like for example, if you click on it, instead of straightly going to this page here, there'll be a settings that pop up here that says uh, current transactions, like things like that. And that's where you can view your pending Robux. Although it might be different for some people, although it in the same general options, which is up here on the Robux hexagonal shape here, right? Either way, that is how you check your pending Robux in Roblox. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.